Hello, this is Latricia again. This is the last offer that I do have called Inbound Call Reps from Online Telecenter. This is the last one, and as well as it is the most expensive one. The inbound calling for this one is $550. That's the total amount of money that you will end up having to spend for this if you are actually interested in it. And the reason why it's so much is because it has everything built in that you need to receive calls. You're not having to search for nobody. You don't have to do any extra stuff like the other ones that I have prior, Opportunity 2 and 1. This one, they send you the people. All you got to do is talk to them, send them to the video. They'll call you back and tell you that they're interested, ask them some questions, send them over to your rep, and they close the deal for you, and everything is done there. So give me a call back once you finish viewing this video. If you have any other questions, give me, like I said, my contact information will be below in this video. Alright, so the website again is www.inboundcallreps.com/Latricia. www.inboundcallreps.com/LATRISHA. www.inboundcallrep.com/Latricia. You'll come to a page that looks just like this. You'll come down to the video here. All right.
Hello and welcome to Easy One Up, the easy online business. Hi, my name's Leroy. I'm going to be your guest host on this webinar today. I appreciate you being here. I know your time is valuable. You don't like these webinars that go on and on, so this is going to be pretty short and sweet. But I'm going to show you why Easy One Up is a fantastic new online international business that allows anybody at any skill level to make a bunch of money online the easy way. So let's go ahead and get started. You see, we've created an easy-to-use online money-making system that leverages the power of the internet to get paid daily. Everybody loves the internet, and they're always trying to figure out how in the world can I make money with this thing. It's so cool. We're going to show you how right here, right now. Now, we've combined the income potential of digital products. Now, digital products are things like the App Store, right, or getting records or music online. It's digital, it's quick, it's easy, it has no hard cost. That's where the money is. Now, we've combined this with a rejection-free automated sales system to create the perfect online business. Now, we offer 5 digital educational programs that will give you the tools you need to succeed in any business. And our pay plan allows you to earn 100% commissions. That's right, 100% commissions on all of our digital products instantly. So what we're going to show you here is how to market online, market digital products that people are going to want, need, and use, and earn 100% commission when that happens, right? Pretty good. Now, our automated sales system is rejection-free and allows you to start earning daily income without any personal selling and doing any presentations. Now, the person that you're working with right now is not doing this presentation. I'm doing it. I do it 24 hours a day. I do it the same way every time, and this is how money is made online. See, we believe that systems create success. Now, here's Forbes magazine. The e-learning sector will generate $107 billion this year. Now, e-learning sector is everything that we do and other things. E-books, digital products online, videos online, everything. This is a huge industry. You're in the right business at the right time, that's for sure. Now, we offer 5 incredible video-based educational products. The first set is our Elevation package. Elevation basically means that you're working your way up. It includes 2 different programs within that package. Then we have 3 different versions of Vertex, which are all upscale programs, which are the top, the pinnacle of your business. Now, it's going to have everything you need to succeed. Our 5 video training packages will teach you how to start your own business, develop the right mindset to succeed, how to use social media to get unlimited leads, and much, much more. In fact, you'll actually use your Easy One Up training series to market your Easy One Up business. So not only do you get a great business and great products, these products will help you market this business. Now, let's take a look at the packages very briefly. As far as details, you have to look further down this page to see all the different things that come with each package. My job here is to give you the idea of the price points and what packages are available. Now, the Elevation package is $25 for the package itself, plus a $5 admin fee. It's one time. So you're going to spend $30 total. You'll own this product forever, no monthly fees. And guess what? It also comes with resale rights. You can sell it over and over again and keep the $25 to as many people that want to buy it. It's pretty cool. Elevation Elite includes the previous package, as all of our other packages do. As I go through these, it also includes all the previous packages. So Elevation Elite includes Elevation plus its own special products. It's $100 plus a $10 admin fee. Again, one-time fee, and you're in business, right? Now, here are Vertex packages. $250 plus a $25 one-time admin fee. You get Vertex Elite for $500 and a $50 admin fee. Again, the Vertex Elite includes all the packages we've talked about, and it's $500 plus the $50 admin. That's it. You're done. One-time fee. Now, our top program, the most popular program, is our Vertex Pro Connect. $1,000 plus a $100 admin fee one time. So imagine being in business for yourself online. You own all these products. I mean, just a Vertex Pro alone, this thing has all the other products in it and the Connect series. It has over 40 hours of video training just here in the Pro package, including all the other stuff in the other package. It's absolutely amazing. So for $1,000 or $1,100, you own a business, you own these amazing products, and you can sell them over and over again to make $1,000 or $500 or $250 or whatever people want to buy from you. You get to keep all the money all the time except for one qualifying sale, which we'll talk about in a little bit. Now, as a special bonus for our Vertex Elite and Vertex Pro members only, you're going to get access to our newly added Endless Leads training course. Now, it's a video and audio-based course on how to get an endless stream of leads for your business, any kind of business. So this is available, again, if you're in our $500 or $1,000 packages, you get this Endless Leads program as part of it. Now, let's take a look at the marketing tools, because a lot of businesses are great, but they never really provide the tools or even show you how to get the tools to build your business. We believe at Easy One Up that smart marketers don't chase their customers, they have their customers chase them. Now, if you're like me, you'd rather have these people contacting you or going right to your website to buy and not having to chase these people down. That's absolutely no fun for you, and it's no fun for them, right? You want a business where your customers are looking for you. Now, phone broadcasting is part of this package. It's absolutely amazing. New done-for-you phone broadcasting that allows you to advertise your business to thousands in just minutes. It's included free for all members at all levels, and all you pay for is the calls. The calls are going to be less than 2 cents a piece. In this way, you can make thousands of contacts. For example, make 50 calls a day for 20 days. It would take you 20 days to call 1,000 people, right? This will do it in about 30 minutes. It's absolutely amazing.
Okay, so this is where I'm going to leave off in this particular video so that I can show you some other things here. So basically, go back with the video. You have watched 5 minutes and roughly 30 seconds of the video. As you see, it is 16 minutes long, so that it gives you more details. And then once you do finish and you call me back and you get to the end of the presentation and you are like, hey, look, this is just for me. This is what I need for me, and this is going to help me to platform to go through to where I need to excel to help me with my bills, all that great stuff. You're going to click the Get Started Now. Make sure you do call me so that I can walk you through all the steps that you'll need to go through. Below on the website, it does show you the different packages, and I do understand that everybody has a different level of earning at this current time, but we are trying to help you to get past that so that you can prosper even more. So here's the Elevation package, everything that is offered there. The Elite. And remember that all of these things have included whatever the previous packet had that was before it. This is the Vertex, and it, like I said, it has a wealth of information. This is the Vertex Elite and the Vertex Pro. Most everybody does the Vertex Elite because that's kind of like midways, and when you're testing out something, $500 is a substantial amount of money, but for most of your average style people. So this is where people start at, and then they go up from there. But if you need to start below that, that is absolutely just fine. Again, my contact information is all the way at the bottom here. You can call me, email me. All you gotta do is copy paste it, put it into your email, whether you're in Gmail, whatever that you use, okay? So what I need for you to do for this particular offer, if you're interested in it, complete the rest of this video. Go through, listen to the whole video, understand the ins and outs, and make sure it's something that will work for you, because everybody has a different thing. That's the reason why I have given 3 different offers and opportunities, because I do realize there's a variety of different people, and you are looking to work from home and you want something that is substantial. So just to recap, okay, watch the video, call me back. My number is at the bottom of this screen as well as at the bottom of this email. Our first opportunity was Top Flight Assistance. What you do with that is to book an appointment, which means you got to call me, let me know Monday through Friday between 1 p.m. and 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time what time is good for you to have a consultation. Those consultations are at least 20 minutes long. It can be longer than that depending on your credit situation, okay? When they pull your credit to tell you what all that we can do for you, okay? Opportunity number 2 is Four Corners Alliance, which is $28, a one-time fee going in, and you get 4 people to sign up with you. That's all you do, and they in turn get 4 more people, and it keeps going and keeps going. Opportunity number 3 is you are an inbound call rep. So this is the last opportunity here. You watch the video, you're interested, call me back, we'll get you signed up, and your payment of the $550, or whichever one that you choose. Make sure you tell me your choice of level that you choose, because everybody's not going to do the $550. I do understand that. But choose your level that you choose. Let me know, and we'll get you signed up and going on with this immediately, okay? I do appreciate you watching the videos and giving me your time, and you have a wonderful evening, and I look forward to hearing from you.